What up, everybody? It's day 89, 365 days. Tomorrow's day 90, then we got 10 days until we hit the first 100 mark. Out of 365, then we only have 265 days to go. It'll be crazy. It'll be crazy. It's crazy we made it this far. So, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you're getting a little something out of it, even if it's just a little bit. Or even if you just had me playing in the background. We're just chilling together doing some edits. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's a prop. So this is what I grabbed. I'm rearranging the living room to be more suitable for setup, and then rearranging this room up too, so it's gonna be more suitable for having a better backdrop and all that. Just taking a little extra time, effort into it. You know what I'm saying?
I'll take a pound of nuts. That's a lot of nuts! That'll be $4, baby!
It's pretty crazy.
Oh, no, it's good. It's good.
No. Please, I have a wound there.
Come on, don't spoil everything. This works for both of us, huh?
And I don't plan on spoiling it for you at all. So let's get to editing. This is the one that we're shooting today, what we're editing today. Let's take some of that contrast just down a little bit. Highlights up a bit. Shadows up a bit. Whites up a bit. Bring the black back in. Okay, we go a little bit bluer. Green. Take the vibrance down a bit. Satch up just a we're gonna go down with the saturation a little bit. I'm gonna match these out. Not close enough. Alright. Now we're gonna bring in selective. Alright, even.
Allegedly.
Nothing knowledge about this. So, let's hit the color grade. Texture, clarity, more haze. Some sharpening. Little chips in the paint. specular spec spot. We're seeing some of this is light speculation. Hitting it at an angle from the flashlight. Hit it. This light here is causing some of these little white spots. We're gonna take care of that real quick. Like, seems to be doing alright. Not terribly bad. Not terribly bad.
Your clothes are black,
Oh, that's a fact. And
making me the victor.
tis true. Make sure you guys go check out squeakydoorproductions.com. Squeaky with 2 E's, and go and rate your photo on the Rate Your Photo app on the website. It is fantastic. Go try it out. And leave it in the comments below and let me know what you got on your rating.
Allegedly.
Okay? And that will make you.
Please stop! Whiplow sucks as a fighter. A child could beat him.
But no one will beat you.
Allegedly.
Okay. A little lag, but nothing crazy. Back, bam, zoom out. Still doing pretty good. Nice, nice.
Oh yeah, try my nuts to your fist time. Oh.
Making me a victor.
Oh, no, it's good. It's good.
No, no. Please, I have a wound there.
Go get some snacks. Perhaps a carbonated soda.
Yes, the greatest movie on all of planet Earth. Okay. Now we mask. A mask, a mask, a mask, a mask, a mask, a mask, a mask. Pretty good. Just a tiny bit. Some contrast out. Separate that from the black background a bit. Alright. Texture, bit of clarity, and then we are going to duplicate invert said mask, add some haze, clarity, bit of texture, take some of the sharpness down, bam, bit more sage. Bit more in the yellow. And that is our photo. Day 89. 365 days, and I will see you for day 90. Like, subscribe, share with a friend. Much appreciated. Peace.
Go get some snacks. Perhaps a carbonated soda.
I hope they have ices.
I've chosen the large tub.
My nipples look like milk duds.
I've got some yellow liquid for your popcorn. And it's not dairy.